Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm David, this is my girlfriend Ina, and today we have 8 Sonny Angels.
So we both mostly hippers, so these are the ones that you can stick in your phone. So they come with like a double-sided jelly that you can stick. But we also have a animal version 3, and then we also have the animal version 2. But we have a lot of these animal ones because I'm trying to hunt for a bunny one, the pink bunny. So this is what you can get for the animal hipper. So you can see here everything that you can get, and there's a possible secret similar to this. You can see these are the animal figures, and I'm pretty sure you can look this up in Google.
How did these become popular? I've never heard of these before.
I don't know. They used to be cheaper, but now they're expensive. And recently, Lisa posted one after her music gig in New York, so I think they're going to be more popular. So if you guys want these, make sure you go to the Sonny Angel website and check for the stocks. Okay, should we start?
One question, are they just naked babies?
Yes, but they're cute. It says here he may bring you happiness. Yeah, we're going to open the first one, the animal hipper. It's pretty easy to open.
Let's see what the first one is.
I don't know what's in here. I'm hoping it's a bunny. Sometimes you shake it and you could kind of tell what it is, but I really can't.
Nah, bunny.
It's kind of hard to open.
Nah, bunny. So I'm guessing the bunny ears will reach the top of the box.
I think I'm just going to use a
because you look at the items here, or the ones you can get, the bunny is the tallest one.
Yeah, I don't know how to open these clean, so I'm just going to open it.
First one.
In a pouch. Oh, I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna Oh, it's a panda hipper.
Oh, that one's nice.
Look at that, guys. So this is the sticky, and you can stick this in your phone or your laptop or anywhere. So cute.
Show them the butt.
Sonny Angel.
Show them the butt.
It comes with the wings. It's so cute.
Is it work friendly?
I don't know if I would wear this in my work because I work in the bank. Do you want to open the next one?
Yes. Right.
You want to open a veggie hipper?
I'll
These
try
are
veggie
vegetables.
one. So these are based off animals.
No, veggies.
Vegetables.
That's what you can get.
Why's there a pineapple? Wait, is a pineapple?
That's a veggie.
Pineapple's a vegetable?
I think it's just a...
It's straw? Oh,
it's harvest. It's harvest.
It's a harvest. So it's fruits and vegetables. Okay.
You don't need that. You
Okay,
just
I'll be safe.
open it with your nails.
Super easy to open. It's a tab in the bottom. Alright. This is my first time opening a Sonny Angel. So, I think I just open it from the top.
It's kind of hard. You might need force. It's okay.
Alright, so this is the yellow one. So I'm not sure which one's the most popular one, but we'll see.
I think the strawberry one is very popular.
And I got...
Oh, apple.
Apple! Look at
Apple is
this.
also popular. Hey, do you have your phone? You can show them how you can put it in your phone.
Twerk. Look at that.
That's pretty.
Put this one here. Do they stand up?
No, these ones don't because you're supposed to stick them. Okay.
Okay, I'll just lay them down.
Maybe we can just keep opening.
Yep. You go pick the next one.
Next one.
So what's our goal? What's the most popular one?
I think the bunny one, the rabbit. If they call it a rabbit, it's popular. Oh, the loop ear rabbit is also very popular.
Loop ear rabbit.
Yeah.
So this one.
Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Oh, it is stuck. They glued it with a box. But here is our next one. let's see. Yeah, there's the leaf in there too. Oh, it's
What is
a
that?
koala, I think. Oh, yeah, it's a koala. This is our koala, Sonny Angel.
Oh, that's the mouse.
Oh, it's a mouse.
So mouse, elephant, and koala looks very similar. So this is the mouse.
No, the koala and the mouse looks very similar.
Yeah, the color. You see these three blue ones.
Yeah, I don't think the mouse is popular, but I think it's still
I like
cute.
it.
Okay.
All right, my turn. This is
Your
exciting.
turn. You wanna open
try
an animal
Ooh,
series?
animal series.
So here, I think the most popular one here is the loop ear rabbit.
Loop ear rabbit. So this is
Yeah,
what we're going
it's
for.
always popular. I want the loop ear rabbit.
Do people pay more for the loop ear?
Yeah, they do.
How much more?
I don't know, depending on the resale market, but they pay more.
So these are like Pokemon cards. If you go on Marketplace, people will trade you for the ones they don't have.
You can go to a group and you can trade like multiple ones. They're just super cute.
See green tip?
Is that a chicken?
That is a chicken.
Oh,
Look at that.
interesting. I don't think I've seen a chicken before. Yeah. Oh, no, it's a parrot.
Oh,
It's a parrot.
it's a parrot. Looks like a chicken though.
Show them the parrot. The details. The butt. Maybe I open another animal series too, version 2.
I like the animal ones better. They're cuter.
The standing ones?
Yeah.
This one's easier. This one, I would like a reindeer. Reindeer. Oh, is that a cow? Wait, something fell.
Oh no.
Oh,
wait.
no.
Wait, show them what happened?
The horn fell. Maybe we can reattach it.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's Sonny Angel is cheaping out on materials.
Well, good thing we have recorded. We can maybe get a replacement for this.
Yeah, so the horn broke, so we have a broken Sonny Angel.
This can be a rare one.
Unicorn.
a unicow.
Yeah, I don't know how to glue that.
Oh, that was nice. But unfortunately,
Yeah, it's nice.
the horn fell.
Okay, you opened a veggie a while ago, right?
Yeah,
I'll open a veggie too.
And I'll open.
Yeah, you open.
This is not a loop ear rabbit. It is a duck. This is duck.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a duck. Like
It's
that.
a duck.
So this is also a sticky one. There's a adhesive included. I wonder if we can reuse it.
Oh, I was able to fix that. Maybe I'll glue it with my super glue. Cute. Just be careful.
He or she is fixed.
I think Sonny Angel is a he. See?
Oh.
It's a he.
It's a he.
Did you open that? Oh, I didn't get a look at that. Okay, this one is a veggie. Oh, a pineapple.
Oh,
We got a pineapple.
that's a new one.
Pineapple Sonny. Look at the butt, it's so cute. The last one?
Yep, so that's
Oh,
one.
so sad.
I hope this is the last one. Wish us luck. Wish us the
Loop ear rabbit.
loop ear rabbit. Wait.
What is it? Is it showing now?
Aww.
It's gray.
Koala. This is a koala, yeah. So this is more grayish.
Yeah, this is the mouse. Compare them to.
Oh,
They
wow.
kind of have the same patterns. So
Yeah.
not really.
Their face looks the same, all of them.
Of course they do. There's
The only difference is they have a different head.
Yeah. Yeah, so these are all the hippers that we got.
Along with this cow with a broken horn.
No, there's another chicken.
Yeah.
I can't hold them all.
Oh, which one's your favorite?
My favorite is the panda. I think it's my favorite, the panda. I like this. I'll put this on my computer.
I like the pineapple one. It really stands out.
Yeah, you put it in your laptop. The koala is nice too.
Yeah.
I like this. I like this cow too.
Let us know which one's your favorite down in the comments. Thank you all for watching this short, sweet video. It's our first time unboxing Sonny Angels, and we're just excited to share it with you guys. So,
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
bye.